Hey guys, in this video, we'll show you how to sign out of your Microsoft account from all devices. You'll typically want to do this if you suspect your account might be compromised, or right after you change your password, just to make sure you're securely logged out everywhere else. First, head over to account.microsoft.com and log in to your Microsoft account. Once you're signed in, your dashboard will look something like this. Now, go ahead and click on the Security menu over on the left sidebar. Next, under the Account Security section, click on the Manage How I Sign In button. From here, just scroll down until you find the Sign Out Everywhere section and click on that Sign Out Everywhere link. Click the Sign Out button one more time to confirm. And that's it. You've successfully signed out of all devices. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.